Advantages of Toyota Tacoma 2024. See you again Z Cars News friends. If in the previous video we have discussed the Toyota Tasoma, so on this occasion, we are still discussing the 2024 Toyota Tasoma related to the general advantages of the Toyota Tasoma. For that, here are some of the advantages of the 2024 Toyota Tasoma that you can know. 1. In terms of reliability. Toyota has a reputation for building reliable vehicles, and the Tacoma is no exception. Many owners appreciate the durability and dependability of Toyota trucks. 2. Resale value of Toyota Tasoma. Toyotas, including the Tacoma, often have strong resale value. This is partly due to their reputation for reliability and durability, which contributes to sustained demand in the used car market. 3. Off-road capability of Toyota Tasoma. The Tacoma has a strong reputation for off-road capability. Many models come equipped with off-road features such as skid plates, off-road tires, and advanced four-wheel drive systems. 4. Variety of trims. The Tacoma is typically available in various trims and configurations, allowing buyers to choose a model that suits their preferences and needs. This includes different cab sizes, bed lengths, and off-road oriented trims. 5. Towing capacity of Toyota Tasoma. Midsize trucks, including the Tacoma, often provide a good balance between everyday usability and towing capability. Depending on the trim and engine choice, Tacomas can be capable of towing trailers, boats, or other recreational equipment. 6. Fuel efficiency. Compared to full-size trucks, mid-size trucks like the Tacoma often offer better fuel efficiency. This can be advantageous for daily commuting and long-distance driving. 7. Technology features of Toyota Tasoma. Modern Toyota vehicles typically come equipped with a range of technology features. This may include advanced safety features, infotainment systems, and connectivity options. Remember to verify these advantages and explore the specific features of the 2024 Toyota Tacoma when detailed information becomes available. You can check the official Toyota website, contact a Toyota dealership, or refer to official press releases for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Thank you for watching this video about the advantages of the Toyota Tasoma car. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Z Cars News videos. Hope you find it useful.